Hi, so we are going to present the ITP 1323 database. We decided to do course registration system. So this is our group members. My name is Nur Alashafika binti Maurizam. My friends is Lee Shumoy, Nur Hafiza binti Alwi, and Atika Nazira binti Abdul Malik. The student registration system is software that allows a university to manage all of its day-to-day operations. A student registration system is a framework that allows for the quick and easy creation of programs for student enrollment. It's a strategy that allows schools and universities to better manage an increasing number of students. By eliminating paper, the student registration system drastically decreases the amount of work and cost associated. This is our ERD. We have student table, course, subject, hostel, faculty, and lecturer. Returns to business rules. So first, each student register one course. Each course can be registered by many students. Second, each course enrolls by many subjects. Each subject enrolls under one course. Third, many subjects teach by one lecturer. Each lecturer teach many subjects. Fourth, each course has one faculty. Each faculty have many courses. And the last one, many students registered one hostel. Each hostel registered by many students.
Now, let's start with the ML create statement. In this section, we create table for the entities which are hostel, student, faculty, course, lecturer, and subject. Next, the ML insert statement. In this section, we will provide one example for each entities. As you can see here, the example that we give in this slide is hostel. Insert into hostel under attribute hostel ID, hostel name, room number. Next, for student, insert into student under attribute matric number, hostel ID, first name, last name, address, phone number, email, and year of study. Next, faculty. We insert into faculty under attribute faculty code, which are FTMK, faculty name, fakulti teknologi maklumat dan komunikasi, and faculty department rangkaian komputer. Then course, we insert into course under attribute course code, matric number, faculty code, and course name. The last two entities will be lecturer. We insert into lecturer under attribute lecturer ID, lecturer name, lecturer phone number, lecturer gender, lecturer email. And the last entity will be subject. We insert into subject under the attribute subject code, course code, lecturer ID, and subject name. That's all example for DML create and insert.
Next is DML update statement. One of the example of update statement is change student email with matrix number. The SQL statement will be update the table name, which is student, and set email to the value of aisha12 at gmail.com. Then and next it will be where the matrix number will be equals to B0321101121. DML delete statement. One of the example of delete statement is delete all the data that related to student with the matrix number B03191292. The SQL statement will be deleted from the table of subject, where the subject code will be equals to B031912022902. Next will be DML select unary operation. The example of select unary operation is retrieve student's matric number and name, which is second year of study. The SQL statement will be select the matric number, first name, last name, year of study from the table of student, where the year of study is equals to 2. And the result will appear as the table.
Next, for DML select aggregation and grouping operation. The example for DML select aggregation and grouping operation is retrieve the total number of students who live in hostel custody. So for the SQL statement, we count the number of hostel names and set the name to count student for the result, and we retrieve the data from table hostel, where the hostel name is Kasturi. So the result is shown in the table below. Next, for DML select inner and outer join operation. The example for DML select inner and outer join operation is list all the student matric number, name, hostel ID who live in custody. So for the SQL statement, we select student matric number, first name, last name, and from the stable student, and hostel ID and hostel name for the stable hostel, where the hostel ID from both table is the same and hostel name is equal to Kasturi. So the result is shown as the table below. Next, for DML select nested or subquery operation. The example for DML select nested or subquery operation is display the student matric number who studied in Fakulti Teknologi Maklumat dan Komunikasi. So for the SQL statement, we select the matric number from the table course, where the faculty code from the table faculty is for the faculty name equal to Fakulti Teknologi Maklumat dan Komunikasi. So the result is as shown as the table below. So that's all from us. Thank you for listening.